Good morning and welcome to my class. Um, Today I will be showing you guys how to clean a data using Microsoft Excel. But please make sure, as a data analyst or as a person trying to become a data analyst, when you are making use of Excel, make sure the Excel you are using is Excel updated versions like Excel 2021, and you are good to go when you have that kind of update on your system. So let's quickly dive into why I'm here today. I'm here today to show you guys how to clean data using Microsoft Excel. Let's dive to the first stage. You click on the Microsoft Excel app. You click on a blank sheet. Now, this is not just any kind of um, any kind of um, any kind of cleaning, but you are given a data, and as a data analyst, and you are expected to clean this data to make it to correct some errors in this data. So what do you do? In my previous shots that I've posted in this page, you will see where I talked about Power Query, and for you to be able to clean a data using Microsoft Excel, you will make use of Power Query. Power Query is the tool that we will be using to clean our data. So you go to data, you click on get data, then you go to from file, then you select from text/CSV, then you import the file, the data set you want to clean. You import that data set. So statistics shows that a lot of you watch my video, you just scroll, you don't like, you not comment. Please, I beg you, please share my video, subscribe, like, and God bless you. So I've gotten to the point where I will be selecting my data, the data I want to clean. So the data I want to clean is July 2023 sales data. So let's quickly import that. So it's loading, and mind you, there are many ways you can open Power Query on your Microsoft Excel without any issue. You get, but I choose to use this way today. So all you just need to do is to click on transform data, and your data will display large. Then you go ahead, your Power Query will be launched, and you go ahead and clean your data. So let it load. You can see. So now you can go ahead and clean your data now. So when we launch our Power Query, looking at this main data, you discover that the headings are showing column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, which is not supposed to be that. But when you go to number 1, you will see client ID, client gender. These are the datas we want. We want those datas to be our heading. So what are we going to do? We just go to this icon up here that says use first rows as header, or you can go to this box here. You click on it, you see use first row as headers. So you click on that, you see automatically the first row will be promoted to header. You can see, and this valid error empty you are seeing here is to help us check if there's any error, if there's any uh wrongdoing we are doing. It's to help us to check if there's any problem. But as far as the whole thing is, we don't have any problem there, so we can just for now uncheck it. It is called column quality. Let's uncheck the column quality so we can see what we are cleaning properly. So we have unchecked it. Now we start with our cleaning. Now what we mean by data cleaning is for you to go through your data, see some of the things that are not supposed to be there, you clean them, and then make the data okay. So I will start with this first one. So I'll just go ahead and go through it. Then I'll click on this one first. You see, we'll go through it. Then if you like, you can uncheck all, click on J1, and let's see. You see, if J1 is plenty, like if J1 is more than one, it will appear here, so you can go ahead and eliminate the one that appeared again. But since J1 is just one, that means this data is correct, so we can go ahead and cancel filter rows. Mind you, Control Z does not really work on Power Query. So when you've done something and you want to clean it, or you want to uncheck that thing, all you just need to do is to come to applied steps. You go there and cancel whatsoever steps you have taken that you did not like. You go there and cancel it. That's how to uncheck whatsoever you have done. Then we move to the next place, which is clients gender. You can see is on text. You move to salesperson. You can see is on text too as well. You move to dates giving. You can see is on text, which is not supposed to be on text. It's supposed to be on dates. So if you go ahead and click on dates direct, and let's say replace current, you see to give you some errors. You see, to give you some, you'll be seeing some done, some error. You understand? So for you to avoid this mistake, all you just need to do is to click back this box. You go to use locally, you click on use locally, and allow it to load. So the next thing you are going to do, if is English United States, you change it to English UK, and you click on this box up, you change it to dates, then you click on OK. You see everything will change now. Sorry, let me check it again. Let's make use of for instance English Nigeria. Let's see, English Nigeria. They'll put it at dates. We'll apply again. So like I said, we want to change this date to text. So all you just need to do, if you click on date direct, it will give you error. So all you just need to do is to come to use local, then you click on that local, the thing will load, then to give you this dashboard. So all you just need to do is to click on dates, then you come to this place. If it's showing English United States, you click on English UK, then you apply. You see everything will change to English, to the without error. Everything will be edited, and everything will be okay. So let's move to salesperson. You can see it's on text. Let's move to state. You can see it's on text. So as for the ph there, you can see Lagos is fully spelled, but the ph there, some persons might not know that is a river state that they are talking about. So for you, for the whole thing to be clear, or to be clearer, let's just use river state. Let's just use a river state in place of ph. So all you just need to do is to right click, then you go to replace values, and then you see where they say replace with, then you type rivers, then you click on OK. Now this rivers is the state that I want to edit that ph to. So you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do when you want to replace a value with something, sure you get. But as for this case, the ph, we want to change it to reverse. That is the main reason why you see where we edited the ph to reverse. Thank you. Then as for this product, we want to edit it to property type. Property. Property type. Then this sales, we want to add status to it. Sales status. You press enter. When you edit, you press enter. So at my own hand there, I've go through my file. I can see there is nothing to edit again. All I just need to do is to scroll through, check through. There is nothing to edit as for this case of study. The next thing to do is to go to your home on your ribbon, and select close and load. Once you select close and load, it will close and load what you have transformed using Power Query. Okay, you can see this is the end result of what I've claimed, and you can see my data, everything is intact. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and see you on another episode. But please share your comments below, share your opinion, what you think about what I just did, and if there's any correction, we are going together. You share your opinion down there. So please subscribe, like, and share my videos. God bless you.